Master the art of building a balanced plant-based plate. Welcome. Did you know building a healthy, plant-based plate isn't just about tossing veggies together? It's an art and science that keeps you energized and healthy. Today, you'll learn simple steps to create satisfying meals packed with nutrients, all while embracing the power of plants. Let's get started. Plant-based eating is about more than cutting out animal products, it's about adding balance. A well-rounded plate ensures your body receives essential nutrients like protein, vitamins, and healthy fats. Without this balance, your energy, focus, and overall health can suffer. Balance is key to thriving on a plant-based lifestyle. A properly structured plant-based plate supports energy, growth, and well-being. The best part? It's flexible and approachable. You don't have to be a gourmet chef, just focused on combining the right food groups in every meal. Let's break it all down together. To build balance, you need to embrace the core plant-based food groups, each with a critical role in nutrition. These include proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and vitamins and minerals. Understanding how to combine these keeps your diet nutritious and exciting. Protein isn't just for meat eaters. Plant-based sources like beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and quinoa are packed with protein. These promote muscle strength, repair, and growth. Include a variety of protein-rich foods in each meal for optimal results. Think chickpea bowls, tofu stir-fries, or hearty lentil soups. Carbs fuel your day. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, quinoa, and starchy veggies like sweet potatoes are excellent sources of carbohydrates. When combined with fiber-rich vegetables, they stabilize blood sugar and keep hunger at bay. Always prioritize unrefined, whole carbs for sustained energy. Don't skip fats, they are vital for absorption of vitamins and brain health. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and plant oils like olive oil are excellent choices. Incorporating these in moderation will leave your meals satisfying and nutrient-dense. A drizzle of tahini or a handful of walnuts can go a long way. Fruits and vegetables are your gateway to essential vitamins and minerals. Leafy greens, oranges, berries, and bell peppers provide antioxidants and nutrients that boost immunity, skin health, and overall wellness. Aim for a rainbow of colors on your plate to cover your nutritional bases effectively. Now that you understand the building blocks, let's put them into practice. Start with this simple method. Fill half your plate with colorful veggies to load up on vitamins and fiber. Allocate 1/4 to a protein-rich food, like beans or tofu. Use the remaining quarter for hearty whole grains. Add a tablespoon of healthy fat, like avocado or seeds. For example, a balanced plate might include roasted sweet potatoes, sautéed spinach with olive oil, seasoned chickpeas, and a quinoa salad. Simple, nutritious, and satisfying. Making balanced meals a habit requires consistency and creativity. Prep ingredients like cooked grains and washed greens in advance to save time. Experiment with spices and sauces to keep meals exciting. Don't aim for perfection, focus on progress and enjoy the process. Remember to stay mindful of portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger cues. This ensures that you're not just eating well, but also feeling great after each meal. Congratulations! You now have the tools to create balanced plant-based plates that fuel your energy and promote overall health. Start making small changes today. Add a protein-rich bean stew or build a dreamy quinoa bowl. Ready to level up your plant-based journey? Begin now by experimenting with combinations, watching your energy soar, and transforming your nutrition, one balanced plate at a time.